Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DoorDash Crimson card keep getting declined. Activate PIN and funds. Fix 1 is make sure the card is activated, then open the DoorDash Dasher app, then go to earnings or Crimson card. Check if the card shows activated. If not, follow the on-screen steps to activate it. Second one is check your available balance. Open the Dasher app, then view your Crimson's card balance. Make sure you have enough money for the purchase. Remember that some gas stations, hotels, or restaurants may place a temporary hold that require extra funds. Third one is enter the correct PIN. If paying with the chip, enter your correct PIN. If you don't remember your PIN, reset or view it in the Dasher app, then try the payment again. Fourth one is use the correct payment method. Insert or tap the card if the terminal supports it, then avoid swiping if the chip works. If contactless fails, insert the chip instead. Fifth one is check for card lock or restrictions. Open the Dasher app, go to your Crimson's card settings, make sure the card is not locked or frozen. Then unlock it if needed and try again. Thanks for watching.